Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I want to show you how to clean your XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 USB charging port using household items. So remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And there is a piece of paper in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. To get it out, you just have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the brush into the USB port and try to gently pry the piece of paper out. So one part, insert, and try to pry out the dirt. So cool, that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.